The Lord is come, let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room in heaven's the way to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing. We will sing, sing. We will sing. We will shout, shout. We will shout. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Joyful, joyful, we adore thee. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains repeat the sound in joy. And meet the natures, we will praise, we will praise, we will hail, we will hail. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Joyful, joyful, we adore thee, we adore thee. Joy to the world, truth and grace. Let makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love. We will praise, we will praise, we will hail, we will hail. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Joyful, joyful, we adore thee, adore thee. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love. Joyful, joyful, we adore thee, God of glory, Lord of love. And hearts unfold like flowers before thee, open to the sun above. Joyful, joyful, we adore thee, God of glory, Lord of love. And hearts unfold like flowers before thee, open to the sun above. We will sing, Jesus is born. We will shout, the Lord is come. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Joyful, joyful, we adore thee. We will praise, Jesus is born. We will hail, the Lord is come. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Joyful, joyful, we adore thee, we adore thee.